हेलो मेरे पढ़ाकू बच्चों, एक बार फिर हम आ गए हैं 3D के सेकंड पार्ट को लेकर के। एंड सेकंड पार्ट मींस इक्वेशन ऑफ ए लाइन इन स्पेस। हाउ टू कैलकुलेट द इक्वेशन ऑफ द स्ट्रेट लाइन? We have two options. First option, one coordinate is given to you and a line parallel to a vector b is given to you. First option. Second option, only 2 points given, by the way a point and one more point b. Then we have to form the equation of the straight line. So first we start with the first option. When a point a, its position vector is a, its coordinate is x1 y1 z1, and any arbitrary point, say x y z, and its position vector is r with respect to the origin o. So in this rectangular system, suppose we want to calculate the equation of the line L, and this line L is parallel to another vector b, and by the way this vector b is nothing but ai plus bj plus ck in the vector form. Now you know the triangle law. We have completed in the vectors, very important. So what triangle law says that a plus lambda b equals to r, simple triangle law. And this is nothing but the vector form of the straight line. R, arbitrary point, same as in class 11th, x, and y. Whatever be the given point is always x1, y1, z1. By the way, one more point is given, then x2, y2, z2. One more point is given, x3, y3, z3. So, three important points. Arbitrary point is always x, y, z, and given points with 1, 2, 3 and so on. Whenever the direction is given, direction ratios are given, direction cosines are given, then vector b is ai plus bj plus ck, and a, b, c are its drs. जैसे 11th क्लास में स्लोप होता था, यहाँ पर drs और dc's होते हैं. वहां पर जनरल पॉइंट xy होता था, यहाँ पर जनरल पॉइंट xyz. वहां पर गिवन पॉइंट x1 y1 होते थे, यहाँ पर x1 y1 z1. थोड़ा सा चेंज. So r equals to a plus lambda b is said to be the vector form of the straight line. इस पूरे 3D में हर चीज की दो इक्वेशन मिलेगी. एक मिलेगी वेक्टर फॉर्म और दूसरी मिलेगी कार्टेशियन फॉर्म. So this is the first form, that is vector form. We want to convert in Cartesian. Then what is r? R is xi plus yj plus zk. What is a? x1i, y1j, z1k. Plus lambda. What is b? ai, bj and ck. We want to shift all the Cartesian on one side. We want to convert it into Cartesian form. It means no ijk. So we can write it x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1 equals to ai, bj, ck and lambda times. Very simple. Now compare. Compare the coefficients of I, then j, then k. What we are getting? X minus x1 upon a, y minus y1, b, z minus z1 by c. This is said to be the Cartesian form of the straight line, where x1, y1, z1 is the given point, a, b, c are the drs of a line where we want to calculate its parallelism. It means this line is parallel to the given line. Clear? Now, the parametric form is, if you want to write it in parametric form, then x equals to a lambda plus x1, y equals to b lambda plus y1, and z equals to c lambda plus z1. तो अब हम आते हैं इसके 2 point formula पे, same as in class 11. 2 points are given. It means no need to calculate the drs, because drs indirectly given to you. How? In exercise 1 we have completed. How we calculate drs of AB? Drs of AB, nothing but second minus first or first minus second y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. These are the drs. So these drs replaced by our previous drs whatever given. So the equation is now x minus x1 y minus y1 z minus z1. This is same. From where we calculate the drs? Drs are x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 and z2 minus z1. So here indirectly drs are given but you have to calculate. और उसके पहली फॉर्म में क्या था? वेक्टर बी गिवन था, वो हमको dr दे रहा था और इसमें dr हमको ab दे रहा है. क्यों? क्योंकि ab के जो dr है वही तो ap के dr है. That's why we are using the same dr set. So this is Cartesian form of the 2-point formula. Now what about the vector form? A small change is here. R equals to A is the same, the first point, whether you take this one or this one, first point plus lambda times B is not here, but indirectly B is with us. So what we write? B minus A. Second vector minus first vector, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. So this is said to be the Cartesian form of the 2-point formula. And here it is the Cartesian form, this is the vector form. और अब हम आते हैं इन्हीं पे बेस्ड कुछ क्वेश्चंस एक्सरसाइज नंबर 2 से. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Find the equation of the line which passes through 1, 2, 3. Passes through 1, 2, 3 and is parallel to the vector. Parallel to the vector given 3, 2, 2. 3, 2, 2. It means this vector is nothing but vector B. And this point 1, 2, 3 is nothing but the first point x1, y1, z1. So first we write the equation in Cartesian form and then in the vector form. हर बार दो आंसर निकालेंगे, चाहे बुक ने पूछा है नहीं पूछा. We have to calculate two forms. Correct? So first we start with the Cartesian form. X minus x1, y minus y1 and z minus z1 is the point. And drs 3, 2, minus 2. Answer. कितना सिंपल. Vector form r equals to a. Write in the position vector form 2i 3j. This is our first point plus lambda times parallel to is the vector form. Clear? Question number 5. क्वेश्चंस बहुत छोटे छोटे, बस लॉजिक बहुत बड़ा है. Fifth sum, find the equation of the line vector and Cartesian, both the forms, passes through the point with position vector. With position vector 2i minus j plus 4k and in the direction 1, 2, minus 1. 1, 2, minus 1. Vector form as well as Cartesian form. Point is given, direction is given. Direct first vector form. R equals to A plus lambda times B. Yes or no? Same 11th class से compare करो. Point slope. So it is a point slope form. Now convert in Cartesian. Write the format. Format is x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. Now what is the point given to you? 2, minus 1, 4. What are the drs given to you? 1, 2, minus 1. Answer. Vector form, Cartesian form. Next sum, number 6. Questions बहुत आसान है. 6th sum. Find the Cartesian equation of the line which passes through minus 2, 4, minus 5. Passes through and parallel to the line. Parallel to the line x plus 3 by 3, y minus 4 by 5 and z plus 8 divided by 6. Line passing through minus 2, 4, 5. That is the point A in this diagram. And parallel to line is one more line is here. This one B. अब बताओ, अगर ये लाइन इससे पास हो रही है तो सबसे पहले फॉर्मेट, वेरी सिंपल फॉर्मेट, सेम फॉर्मेट, you have to write like this, no problem. The given line parallel to this line, it means dr यहां से चुरा करके यहां लगा देने के, क्योंकि dr सेम रहने वाला है, लाइन पैरेलल है तो जो इसके dr है वो इसके dr है. 3, 5, 6 आंसर इजी. 7, 7. The Cartesian equation of the line is given x minus 5 by 3, y plus 4 by 7 and z minus 6 by 2. Write its vector form. Objective question, 1 mark question. So point is 5 minus 4, 5 minus 4 and 6 is the point. And dr's 3, 7, 2. So from the equation, r equals to A plus lambda times B. Answer. कितने आसान. Next. 8. Find the vector and Cartesian equation of the line that passes through the origin and this time passing through origin as well as 5 minus 2, 3. Now we start the 2-point formula. Cartesian x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1 divide by dr's. And how we calculate dr's? x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. जीरो को लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, मगर समझाने के लिए लिखा है ताकि आइंदा गलती नहीं करें, है ना. x upon 5, y upon minus 2 and z divided by 3 is the answer for the straight line in the Cartesian form. Suppose question is we want to write in vector form also. Then what is the vector form? Vector form is r equals to A. A means first point. 0i, 0j, 0k, no use. Lambda times second minus first, 5i, 2j, 3k is the answer. One more. Sum number 9. Find the vector and Cartesian equations of the line that passes through 2 points given this time. 3, minus 2, minus 5. And 3, minus 2, 6. This point is say A, this point is say B. A and B. 2 points are given. How we calculate? X minus x1, write the format, and z minus z1. Divide by x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. Answer. Simplify. X minus 3 by 0, y plus 2 by 0 and z plus 5 divided by 11 is the answer. And suppose we want to calculate in the vector form. Then how we write in the vector form? R equals to A, 3i, 2j, 5k plus lambda times this minus this. So 0i, 0k and 11k. है ना आसान? आज हमने दो चीज पढ़ी, वेक्टर फॉर्म एंड कार्टेशियन फॉर्म, और दो चीजों की. When point and the slope, that is point and the dr's are given, or 2 points are given. I think you will complete the exercise based on these questions from some reference books for practice, because maths wants practice and practice and practice. Correct? पढ़ते रहिए, आगे बढ़ते रहिए. मिलते हैं एंगल बिटवीन द टू लाइंस लेकर के.